Sir, my question is on overthinking. I see one video in which you can give an answer that one student that if overthinking is occurs when you have free time.
Yes.
But many times overthinking can be just also done or also come from when you are working or other things.
Okay, so now how many want to know about overthinking? But he already saw my answer for it, right? Normally, you know why people overthink generally? Because they have a lot of free time, right? Free time in the sense, if I tell you, everyone stay silent, very, very silent, don't think of a monkey, right? Don't think of a monkey, huh? Don't think, huh? Please. So what happens is when your mind is idle, whatever is bothering you or whatever your senses are getting exposed to, your mind is going to think about it, right? This controlling mind is all for the great saints and the great people. We normal people forget controlling mind. I always say divert to something meaningful, right? For example, divert into studies or divert into some hobby or divert to something. So your mind is thinking negative, cut it down, go play video games, right? But don't leave your mind to think about this, right? Because the more you think, the funniest part is overthinking is, it's okay you overthink. Thinking is good. But then slowly when you overthink is, you put this assumption thing also. That makes it more complicated with overthinking. You thinking about the person, then you slowly think, oh, this girl did this because of that. Or this girl is friend of this friend, the friend doesn't like me, so that she did this, but still I like this person, you start overthinking. That's assumption, which is not fact, which is not true. And then the poor girl didn't do anything, you will react based on your overthinking and assumption. And the people think, what happened to this girl? Right? So that is the problem with overthinking. Now, he says after understanding this concept also, still you overthink is you don't have some answer about the past or about the future. So when you don't have some answers about the past, answers of the future, your mind is going to overthink. Right?
So means if one particular thing is simple,
Yeah.
we are going to apply many logics to it.
Yes.
Means that are not necessary, but
Yeah, so that's what, right? You just stop this thinking and go on action. That's the only way you can control your mind, which means that, okay, I'm thinking about my future, okay? If I'm going to get a job or not. That's an overthinking, which you think about, right? If you know I'm doing this college, this is the degree I'm going to get. After the degree, I'm going to work. I'm going to work in this company. I'm going to do this interviews. I'm going to open up the classified, see what all vacancies are there, what job vacancies is required, what capacity is required, what education is required, what skills are needed. If you start working towards this plan, will you overthink? You won't overthink, right? Overthinking is you don't have an idea of something. Whatever the mind thinks, is my friend like this? And you start overthinking, go ask your friend, are you like this? First step, clearly candid. Why are you doing this to me? Don't overthink this girl is doing this boy is doing this, like that, and build up this story. What you got to do is go directly ask. Take the action, let the answer come directly. And that is how you kill this overthinking. Got it? Now 100% clear? Okay. Go ahead.